Banku is coming back. Oh, Banku is coming back. At the go, I'm coming. So, hoping you're high, let the farmer go inside because I'm coming back for GHOne. We are the best solution in Ghana. Today, the show, we are talking about development of talent in the slums in Ghana. Many families live in slums. The youth have so much talent, but don't succeed due to many challenges they face. How best can we develop talent in the slum to ensure growth and development of the youth in those areas? Join me in the studio is a talent manager and CEO for High Spirit Music, Kaywa. Original, the best musician in Ghana is Kaywa. It is in the studio now. Kaywa, this is my first time that I see you. My brothers, my sisters. Good evening. Because of colonial violence, we can't agree. Yes. Master, this is my first time that I saw you.
You are a very handsome man.
You too, you are a fine, beautiful man.
No, beautiful is for woman.
That be me, my English, you can't challenge me. Okay. Me, my English is Barakola of the world.
Then I will learn your
All
English.
the president and former president, they know my English.
One
when
time,
I say,
one
you
time.
can't challenge me. If you hear, if you don't hear,
That's all.
From last weekend,
Thank you.
we go to the Nima. We go to see some small boy. Is the music, he have a talented.
Okay.
So, the way he's talking, my stomach is running about me. And my head is paining me hard. And my heart will want to close because the way he's talking is what a crime, my brother. And you are the best. People who manage the music in Ghana. Kaywa. Me, I know you. I want to see the video before I go ask you questions. Okay. So watch your TV in GHOne video. Okay. See then. My name is Brahma Kamoko, aka Bukom Banku, the super of nation. The grace of Okro is a cassava shape. Empty calabash cannot sink in the river. I go read it small. Now I go be the questions also small. The slums in Ghana have many very talented young men and women struggle to make it despite the many challenges. There are young musicians, bosses, footballers and dancers and many more who do not have any help to push their career forward. So now I'm the Nima. This is my first time I came to the Nima to come and see the strong boys in here, the better musicians and the fresh ladies in here. Now, I meet my boss, the up and coming musician. They have the more talented in Ghana, but they are not help. Now, yeah, man, ladies and gentlemen, I meet my brother in Nima station. We are all poisoning. Hey, brother, good morning. Akabos is the money soft. It give me the better freestyles. But now, it's anymore. The strong people here, the fresh ladies in here. Imambini, I'm from Mali. Bamako. Well, they know me, I'm a Muslim. Well, we are all one brothers. Brother, I want to ask you some few questions. How long have you been doing music?
Well, I've been in the music for 6 years now, I'll call it.
Are you sure?
Very, very sure, champion.
What have you been major challenge?
Well, the major challenges in music is not actually about the artist, though. It's about the push-up from where the artists get. Because there are a lot of talented youths like matches box, you know, ready to strike just to be on fire. But actually, there is no one with the hands to pick them up and push them for that strike. So the challenges we have been having is not having a good manager to support us and push us up. I think that is the challenges, because there is no any hard thing, I guess, that will keep us from going into the industry, because we, the young talented one, believe in our talent and we know what we are good at. We know anytime we have that chance, we can show them what we can do. We can really show them what we can do. So we need the push-ups, we need the support, for real.
What do you need in your career to moving forward, or anything you like it?
Yeah, as I was talking about, it's all about the support. You know, we need the support, we need the management. That's what we need right now. That's what I need. Talking about what I need for myself right now, because I believe in the talent. I have my fans. I believe I can create more fans if I have the space where I have the manager to push me up. You understand?
My name is Brahma Kamoko, aka Bukom Banku. The abundance of water, the foolish man must be tasted. And the grace of okro is a cassava shame, and the empty calabash cannot sink in the river. Empty calabash cannot sink in the river. I mean the Nima from musician Nima boys. Yeah, Akabos. He said he need help to move forward, like the way the Shatawale go, Stoneboy go, everybody they go. He said do the rent of use their sensibility to do music in Ghana. So he need help. He needs somebody to come and manage him because he's the champion musician up and coming. Everybody say Banku. Akabos. So give him a better freestyles. Make sure you kill him.
For real, champion. Kill it crazy. This is Chela Badi, a new Afro song. Watch it. I'm gonna free wife for Kuya Connect. Arial Kabos. Che. Watch it. Chichin and Chan. Hey. Chela Badi, Yaula Badi, Zola Badi, Mugamula Badi, Chola Badi, Yaula Badi, Zola Badi. It's a niggas.
Oh, apa dia? Dah ni lah Badi. Oh, dia kerana sini ada mujian. Oh, muka muka Badi. Ya Badi, Zola Badi, muka muka Badi.
Fine girls, all the girls, the fine girls. Black and white, slim body, big body, thick and tight. Yeah, them be shaku. All the girls dance zanku. Dance zanku. For years, bring more drones for years, original for years, bring black boss for years, stop off for years, bad bitches for years, no shatters for years, big boys for years. Ana konewa, suna konewa, una konewa, ko wana konewa, ana konewa, suna konewa, una konewa.
I'm back. So Kaywa, are you seeing that you watch the video very well?
Powerful video.
Yes. You know some people in and around get the talent of Ghana, like Bukom Banku,
Yes.
Nifani, King Jerry. They are all musicians in Ghana. They want people are pushing him to go forward because our era, Nifani and King Jerry, they are best musicians in Ghana, but they are not good. And their people are playing the football, running, and the best bosses in Ghana. So I think say you watch the video. So I want to ask you some questions. Or open your mind, let it from come inside. When your question is coming and give you the correct answer.
Correct.
Do you agree with the young men on the challenges?
I do. I mean, listening to them, I realize that the problem is always money. You see, I've always maintained that as young artists as they are, if they get the little financial push, it will help them to go a long way. So it's necessary for you see, we are usually waiting for the government to come in every time, but I believe that this platform can one way or the other create that atmosphere for even these young ones to meet people who can finance their projects. And so I think that all they need is the support and financial support. It's very, very, very important. So I agree with them. If we help them, it will go far. Yes, because me, I was helped. You were helped. Today you are reading news. You are doing interview. Even though it's buga, but you are there. Yes, you understand me? One time.
People hear my English very well, and everybody love my English.
It's powerful.
You know, I want to ask you another question.
Yes.
You know, people are playing the football, but they don't get the money. They know the football correct, but They say they no call him. They want to pay money before they call him blaster. You know, people are the best musicians, best bosses, but they won't blind to want to take him into the blaster or black bombers on football or running because everything is money in Ghana.
You see,
well, right now, what can we do to help these people to go forward? Because we have the talented people in Ghana. We are going backwards.
This is where,
so tell me your mind, my brother.
Thank you. This is where I think that we need the government to stand in. It's as if the creative arts has been left for some people to handle. But if the government will come in and see it as a very a place where we can, because the music is, you can export music and it can bring a lot of revenue to this country. Jamaica, they export reggae music primarily, and it's bringing them a lot of money into the country. And I think that we started Afrobeat and things like that. So the government should look at that area, because now the young ones, they are trying. So, and even when they, like you mentioned, football, they have managed to get selection somewhere, but they have to pay money before they can enter. Likewise, music, maybe they have to pay money, bribe here and there before they can get to a certain stage. But all those ones can be handled if the right authorities take matters in their own hands and say that, listen, let's manage this thing very well. Because they are talent. In those days, when they say you are a musician or you're a footballer, they will laugh. But today, when you say you're a musician, a footballer, or a boxer, they give you respect. Because the money comes in that area. So why wouldn't the government come in and then put in a lot of revenue and a lot of structures, to make it work? And I believe that it will go far.
So all the ministries, the government approved that. The minister of the talent people, we call him, no pick the call. What's honor? We want the people who's going forward, because Ghana, we have so many talents in Ghana. But me, if I'm a boss, I'm not get somebody to help me. I can go bush, I can go to Sakawa, I can go to the ghetto side to do everything because I'm hungry. But if you feel it in me well, if I'm a musician, I will sing well. If I'm a boss, I will do well. Running football, I will do it well. So I want to tell all the ministers and the government and everybody to protect us, to push them forward, because we have the talented men in Ghana. So what do you think about what are they saying?
Yeah, like you rightly mentioned, when they want to campaign, that is when we need the musicians. Okay? When you want, it tells you that music is very powerful. But we are not looking in the area. Now you're saying that you are calling minister is not picking your call.
Well, you know listen, 1 minute. You to give me the freestyle, let me see. Give me freestyle.
Oh, Banku. Me, I play beat.
I know. Well, give me freestyle for your beat.
Kumche. Banku eba. Banku eba.
Kaywa, you are the best. Continue your talking.
I like you. Continue. I'm comporting myself. You make me laugh. I can't do the interview.
Don't laugh. Be serious. Me, my show be comedian. My show it be serious thing, because our slums. People are getting talented. People are getting talented in Ghana. We have the sensibility in Ghana, but Ghana people, we going backwards because we don't do the pusher people.
Yes.
Always the backwards people we need. Well, now we want government to help these people to going forward, because if you go bossing, Bukom Banku is there, Joshua Kota, Bukom. You know, if you go Asamoah footballers, if you go music, Shatta Wale, Stoneboy, Funny, King Jerry, everybody are best me, but they are not get happy to go forward. Well, so give me your final word out. What can we do? And these people get knowledge to sing in very well in the nation.
Let's not put the musicians and the creative arts people behind. If I had the power, first thing I will consider is that I will push the creative artists, or those who are like, because you see the comedians, the footballers, they are giving us the entertainment to do what we do. And you know that without music, you can't do anything. Your show, before you started, you played music. Before you end, you play music. If you like, by the time you are leaving here, before you get to your house, you hear music and music and music and music. That's an area to bring revenue. The government should begin to look at that place. So you understand? That in that way, the young people, the artists who are also trying their possible best to get themselves somewhere, will be okay. So solely 80%, I will blame government. any government that wants to come to power will make plenty promises. But at the end of the day, even our royalty system is still struggling. You understand? So the government should man up and take this thing, get the right people to manage it, so that people like us, one day we can sit somewhere and say, we are successful because of music. You see? But like, for instance, when we're growing up, when they say you want to be a boxer or a footballer, they say you are a dropout. But now it has changed. You understand? So let's encourage us, put in more money.
Yes.
Support the young people.
Yes.
You understand? Yes.
Because Mr. Celestine and Akufado, I think said you hear me and you watch me. You see the way my brother they talk. They said they need people to push these people because we have the career. See, we go to my area, Bukom. We go to interview some people and the boss. I want you to see another this video and give him more gum shake. So watch the video.
Trust in the day, cause in the night you never see them. Only for things we do as mankind, they are well hidden. And anything I don't see, I don't hear. From them things that I tell me never fear, I'll never know what kind of battle you fight for me. Strength and hope, you give me strength and hope. In times like this, I cannot go. Jada, give me strength and hope. Strength and hope. You do not strength and hope. In times like this, I cannot go. Jada, give me strength and hope. Strength and hope. Strength and hope. You do not strength and hope. In times like this, I cannot go. Jada, give me strength and hope. We are talking about strength. We don't need no strength from the gym. Talking strength from within. God in the eye, give me the power to go fight and win. Spiritual battles and things. My hope is not to the $1 million and the things that I own. My hope lies in the hands of the Father. Strength and hope, strength and hope. You give me strength and hope. In times like this, I cannot go. Jada, give me strength and hope. Strength and hope, strength and hope. You be my strength and hope. In times like this, I cannot go. Jada, give me strength and hope. Strength and hope. Strength and hope. You be my strength and hope. In times like this, I cannot go. Jada, give me strength and hope.
They no kwashi in papa no box. In papa by G William coming. They no boxes because a 9 problem. They stop me like me papa a good your boxing. For me when Bama take revenge a Sanjana. Me Bama yena jan say box like they me tama no mag base. Me no can wed wide. Can was say ni me a chamber your wed wide FM.
Do you have manager?
No.
Why?
Because I don't know, because training can do it when I'm trained very well. Because I don't get manager. Some people come my father's side, they say that you can manage me. If I say that you can think. When I take you don't come back again. Because I don't know anything.
Okay, are you working?
No.
Are you sure you'll be a world champion?
Yes.
Okay. Go to my world champion. We there for our community, Bukom. This is Bukom. We have so many bosses in this community. People like Azuma Narisi, Aikwote, Joshua Krote, Kinko Agboko, like Bukom Banku. We are all our big bosses there here. Now we are the GHOne bosses. They are needing help. Now we come and meet our best coach in that community, Coach Monte. How long you been coach?
Oh, I've been in boxing. It's about like 30 years, more than 30 years.
So me myself, I see the good bosses in this community, but why you don't like training?
Why they don't like training? Okay, you see, sometimes it is when they go to training, what they will eat because of that. So, like I said, if I ask my boy to go training, when he come from the training and he don't know what he's going to eat, he will not go. You see, so we need support to support the children in the community. When I say support in terms of like gross, like logistics, the fighting equipment, like the gross, bags, financial support. That is it.
Well, the bosses want the managers to push them to the word or what?
You see, we have a lot of bosses that they have managers, but I don't even see them. You don't even see how they are managing the bosses. You see, now, if you want to do boxing, you need to have a sponsorship package. When you have a sponsorship package, you can do the boxing. Now you see, now boxing is expensive now. You can't do one promotion without spending a lot of money. One promotion, you spend a lot of money. If you want to be a world champion, we have 10 things in boxing that, but I can mention only 5 that if you do and you do it well, you become a champion. Number 1, self-discipline. Number 2, respect. When I said self-discipline means in outside the ring, inside the ring. You see, in outside the ring, inside the ring. Number 3, agility. If your movement, then 4 is speed. Then number 5 is power.
We are Bukom from Kochi Tomate. He taught their sensibility very well. What he need our bossing to be a world champion. They need money and the managers. So because we had a good bosses here, but they don't have money and food to eat to training. It was all the bosses coming backwards. So now we want to tell the government to come and help our bosses in our community. Say Banku. Kaywa. Yeah, we are back. I think say you watch all these videos.
Yes.
I want to tell the president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, and the sports minister, and the former president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama, you people may combine because people are getting talent in Ghana, but they don't get somebody to help them to do their work very well. If you do that, they are hungry. They go Sakawana. They do rough things in ourselves, but. If you help these people, small boys in Ghana, because they have talent there, my brothers and my sisters, if you listen to me, let's cover our small boys in Ghana to push them to do what their future. Because if you don't get anything in your future, my brother, you collapse. Or my president of Ghana, I beg you to support Ghana people because we have a talented in the nation. Kaywa, I think say you watch the video.
Yes.
So you two, you are sitting down my face.
Yes.
You are manager.
Yes.
Yeah. But let me know if you want me. What can you do for the people? Are you push people before?
Oh, if you check my track record, you know that me have supported artists. Let me even start from producers, music producers. Those who play beat, plenty. Me, I raise all of them. You understand? Then I began to support artists to.
Can you mention 3 names for me?
Oh, you know Street Beat.
Street Beat.
Yes, you know Kill Beat.
Kill Beat. Yes.
Kill Beat was with me. You know Ephraim Beat.
Ephraim Beat. Yes.
Yes. Who again? A lot of them. They all came through my small studio.
Nice one. You have good one.
Yes. Support them one way or the other. Just, you see, because in our trade, people think that the knowledge you have, when you begin to show people, they will also come and do it more than you are doing it. No. Yeah. I believe that the little you know, when you show people to do the same thing, they'll become great. And even when they are greater than you, it is still to your credit. So it's fine. And apart from that, artists. I've helped a lot of artists. Most of the songs I record in my studio, I don't charge. Free.
Are you sure?
Oh yes, my brother.
So, what can be done to moving these people forward? What can be done, my brother? Tell me your mind.
What can be down or
Yes.
up?
Yes.
Down.
From class 1 to university.
Okay.
Yes.
What can be done? Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Meaning what I feel what jam get the locality from
To the internationality.
Yes.
Powerful. First, if the government of Ghana begin to look at the creative art, I will tell you that, and we concentrate and we put investment in it, half of Ghana's problem will be solved. Because you rightly said, most of these young ones, they are talented, but they don't have help. Yeah. So they go to the slums and join groups and join guys but most are talented rappers, singers, most are talented boxers, musicians in general. But because we are living them, we think that, but we are all taxpayers, we all pay tax. Those people in the slum, one person may have, they may have light in their place or whatever it is. And they are paying, they are buying power. When they buy power, they pay tax.
Yes.
So everybody, you are paying tax, I'm paying tax. So why is it that it is directed to one area and we have left the people in the slums? We have to look there. And I will tell you that you can pick some people in the slums and you can make them big. And at the end of the day, it will elevate the name of Ghana. And that's all we need.
You know one thing, I do love Bulare. Bulare he helped the slum people.
Exactly.
Because he himself is a talented man.
Yes.
Well, if he sees somebody they collapse, he will take you to stand.
Yes.
Because one thing I do love in Bulare.
Let me tell you.
It's a big man in the country.
Me, I've been talking to Bulare. You know me, I have young artists I'm helping. Mr. Drew, Creamy. I've helped a lot of artists. Bulare saw that I had a lot of artists in my camp and I'm trying to help. So he messaged me and said, I know the work is tough, but anytime you need my help, I'll be there to help you. That one alone was encouraging for me. You see, that's
Bulare.
Yes.
Yes, man.
He realized that no, in my own corner, yes, man, in my own corner, I'm trying to help young artists. It's not easy. I don't have the money, but I will do anything just to get the artist somewhere. He said, anything you need, any help you need, I'm available to give you the help. Imagine that we have 3 or 4 of Bulare doing the same thing.
Yes, it's true.
You see, things will change, but we are not looking in that area.
You know, one of musicians, when I see him in the road, they cry. He there for Choco.
Wow.
He make Akebwe or Kote another. He's the best musician, but
now,
you don't get somebody to push him. Yeah. He there Choco right now. People like me, funny. People like King Jerry. People like Oligido. People like Tough. We have so many musicians in our area. People, they don't have help people to go forward. They are all sitting down. But they know the truth, but they don't have pain. They know the truth, but they don't have pain. If you don't, if you're writing something and the Englishman reading the book, and you know that you are paper. You don't know the paper.
Thank you.
But if you don't write, how can you see that you are a perfect reader? My brother, well, you are a big man for the nation. Well, I want you to give me your more talking to help these people. Because when I see these people, I was crying.
As for me, I have decided that every resources I have, I will put it in supporting, because we didn't get it easy. You see, that like I mentioned earlier on, if you have not been educated to a certain level, they call you dropout. But the dropout are the masses. So if we concentrate on the masses, we will eradicate a lot of problems in Ghana. Like I rightly said, there are people who need just something small to take them to a recording studio, just to record something and push it and then become, because just one song can blow you. Just some people who just need that small help. So me, when I see people like that, I will help with everything I have. And it's not to say that I want to boast. No, but sometimes you're happy that, you helped this one to come to where he is. And I'm happy. Anytime I look at even the producers right now, I am boastful that I push in a lot of efforts to bring them where they are, the artists. I may have played a major role in the life of Castro, Sarkodie, Stoneball, all of them. You see, so it's important that when you see, if you are helped, the reason why we are helped is because we have to help. So when, like, you have given me the platform right now and I'm talking right now, somebody calls me that I need help, blah, 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 because I was on this platform, I have to help the person. That's how it is. You are helped to be helped. You understand?
Yes.
So let's help and change the narrative. Let's help and change the mindset of people concerning the people at the slum area.
Okay, my people of Ghana, it's not me at the talk. My brother Kaywa, the guy who helped some people in the slums. Well, my brother, my sisters, everybody, if you're a manager or producer, let's all make together to come and help these people in the slum, because we are tired of the nation. Ghana, we have intelligent people in Ghana, but they don't have money to push them, or they all go to the bush. Now, me farmer don't get what they all go to the bush. Our farmer don't get what they go to the ghetto side, Sakawa, on everything, but they are hungry. Well, it really their stomach to do something you don't like in the land. Now, according to the weather, according to the Ghana Metro and GMS Africa, the weather as see tomorrow will be rough. Don't go there. If you go to the sea tomorrow, you make the clash. You want my brother and my sister, don't go tomorrow. Don't go there. It be my sensibility at the talk for you. It's not me, my sensibility. It's on the paper they write it to me to reading. It's on the screen to reading. Don't go the sea tomorrow. If you go to the sea, clashing nation, you die in the worst and between everywhere worst and everywhere to them. The breed is all bursting in the world. Yes. Hey, Kaywa. Kaywa, I beg you. What is the first word? Thunderstorm.
Thunderstorms.
Thunderstorm are expected to track over the ocean from the east to the west between midnight and afternoon hours. I think say also you teaching me university guy with it. Brief sunny period will be observed in the afternoon. Wind over the ocean are expected to be moderate with
occasional.
Hey, Ghana. Cause school is better. Everybody go school. Look at the way they do. Bad English and they talk in the year. Boston, hey, condition, yes. Coming to you now, stand by. Bribe a Kamoko. Bukom. The man himself is the creativity. Yeah. Weather of the week. Hey. Word of the week. Yes, word of the week. What is this? Parallelogram. Parallelogram. That this one I know as you. I will try myself. You disturb my gum shade. Parallelogram. Parallelogram. Ghana, it is correct. Nana Akufo-Addo, if it's correct, reading me. Mama, if it's correct, reading me. Allow
Parallelogram. A quadrilateral whose opposite sides are parallel and equal in length.
Kaywa, You are here, parallelogram or Kaywa, listen to me. You are a student. You are university graduate man.
Yes,
my school from JSS2. Well, my sensibility no go forward too much. I have the locality reading book. So what is that word? Show me that word.
Put it up. Let's all see it, please. I don't know that word.
Parallelogram or
parallelogram.
Parallelogram. You are too much. You are too much. Charlie, Kaywa, my brother, thank you for coming. I will see you another time. You are best solution of Ghana. When the monster snake into the bush, he can never take into the pattern. An abundance of water, the foolish man must be tasted. A degree of okra is a cassava shame. Empty calabash cannot sink in the river. Come and support me in this show because Ghana, we have intelligence, but we are going backwards. I need everybody to go for it because God did Ghana back. Nana Akufo-Addo, the president of Ghana, former president of Ghana, John Dramani Mahama. 2020, we need peaceful